So this video is just the robot cell running MDF doors where we're just sanding the center panel. And so we do it in 3 stages. We do the hand sanding here while the machine is doing the sanding of the center. And then on this table we do an inspection. So you want to make sure your quality is right. And then you grab the next door and you just keep doing that. So we'll just let this run for a minute so you can kind of see how it goes down. But here's our in-feed cart, which is going to the hand sanding, which he's done now. Now we're just waiting on the machine. Inspect, out-feed cart. We're going to improve this process on the fly and try and bring the door over to the cell at the same time we're changing the part. Hey Cheyenne. When you switch them out, bring that door with you. Bring it over there, one in each hand. Someone got excited and put the light there. Sandpaper is just blowing off automatically. There we go. That's a better changeover. So now here's all the benefits of robotics. You have a robot doing the sanding in the background, allowing the person time to actually inspect, making sure we're getting the right quality. If not, he just touches it up here on this sanding table and then moves over to the hand sanding. And look at the magic. You have someone sanding and a robot sanding in the background. Twice as much work done per person. We love Cosmo. See the doors are coming off here. It's hard to see in a video, but absolute perfect quality. So here convenient. This door is going on at exactly 5 minutes. So when this door is done, we'll get a time per door. Seconds. We're getting a door every 42 seconds, sanded with perfect quality, with the operator having time to do the hand sanding and an inspection, making sure that everything's perfect while Cosmo does the heavy lifting. The critical thing to remember and keep in mind is this is where the magic is happening right here. That the hand sanding is getting done at the same time as the panel. Rule number 1 of manufacturing, subordinate all activity to the bottleneck. The hand sanding's usually the bottleneck. In this case, our profiles are quick, so the operator's not waiting, but generally that's what is happening. So you're getting this part of the door and the panel every 45 seconds. It's not, you know, if you're running a machine that forces you into batches, you have to sand all the profiles first, then walk over to the whatever machine and feed it all through. This machine is designed as a single piece flow, lean machine. So your panel sanding and your hand sanding are happening at the exact same time. So once the door comes off there, you're done. This is my favorite part. I'm in the middle of this video, I just took a quick phone call and I come back and the cart's done. He's on to another new cart already. It's really hard to beat.